Hello, it's Kristina with Voyages of the Spirit. I'm talking about the rose meditation today. So the rose meditation is more of an energetic tool or technique than a traditional quote unquote meditation. It's an active meditation, and it is a visualization technique that helps you to work within your own energetic field. So there are three main things that the rose meditation supports you in working with in terms of your own energetic field. So first is cleansing and purification. So you are releasing a lot of debris, a lot of density, a lot of stagnant energy that may be yours, but it's no longer serving the system. So you're creating space by releasing that. You're also releasing energy that it is not yours. So in this cleansing and this purification process, which you learn through the rose meditation, you create more space for your own energy, and an energy that's clear and that's connected. And so as you do that, as you cleanse and you create more space, the second thing that the rose meditation really helps you cultivate is what I'll call protection, but what it really means is energetic boundaries. So knowing what is your energy and what is not yours, and being able to hold that field and then work with your own energy within your field. Let's say when you do get triggered or something comes up for you, you're able to work with that within your field without projecting that onto other people or getting into an unconscious dynamic. So that's the second thing. The third thing is connection. So once you've cleansed and you've created that space and now you're holding your own field, you're able to really connect with the truth of who you are, your higher self, whatever you want to call it, your inner teacher, your inner compass, your inner guide. And so when you're connected, there's a clarity to your energy and your choices, and you're able to really connect with the multi-sensory gifts that we all have available, that we're all attuned to. But as you create more space for that and you're connected and you're in your own field, that really facilitates you using your gifts and feeling connected and clear about the next right step, clear about your purpose, clear about your creative power, and really living your potential, really bringing that clarity into form, into action. So the rose meditation is more of a tool than it is, a quieting of the mind or a single point of focus or a contemplation. It's really an active, energetic tool that helps you cleanse, purify, protect, and also connect within your own field so that you can really start to work the muscle of your own energetic authority.